Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am looking pretty moist right now because I am fresh out of the shower, but I have a confession to make. I am the world's laziest editor. All of the videos from Escape the Backrooms have been sitting on my drive idle for the last, 3 months. And the only reason they're not all up is because they're entirely raw, and I'm not going to upload them like that because it's insufferably long. Now, as much as I would have loved to got these videos to have gotten all of these videos to you a whole lot sooner, that simply didn't happen because I am a bad lazy editor. So unfortunately, I don't know where I was going with that sentence. Too bad. Here it is now. It's late, but you haven't forgotten because I love you. Okay, have fun.
I heard something.
That was me.
Oh, I found it. Yeah, you did leave it.
Whoops. Well, let's
Okay.
go back. We found it. Let's go. That's good. That's good. We need to go before we
That's
run
you,
out of nuts.
What did it unlock? Oh, it so does say look up.
There it is.
What?
It's
17564.
17564.
Interact, please.
17564.
Okay, well.
Better hustle. I'm going bonkers.
Please stop with the light. No, stop moving around.
Oh yeah, that looked comfy.
What? Do I have to press F again?
Uh.
17564.
1 7 5 6 4.
Thank you.
Bruh.
Oh, this is a cool level.
Caleb just lied to you. This was not a cool level. I'm not going to be a hater because this game was an absolute blast. This is one of the most insufferable levels of gaming that I played maybe ever. And that was probably a skill issue on my part because it was just a maze with heat and bugs. But it was really unpleasant, and this entire video is probably going to be unpleasant because I'm angry the entire time. That's neither here nor there, though, so carry on.
Alright, upsy daisies.
Ah,
I hope
please
this
reset my sanity meter.
Yeah, I hope this isn't so degrading to our sanity.
It did not.
I have... Oh, and it took away my juice, too.
Oh yeah, no, this is it for me, brother.
Well, hang on. Take a walkie-talkie. A thermometer.
Yeah,
Why
no,
is there a thermometer?
I'm just unironically dead.
Are you?
Wanna watch me explode?
Are you dead?
Yeah, I'm dead.
Pull out your card.
But I'm dead. That's the thing. The thing is, I'm dead. The thing is, I'm dead.
Oh, what? Oh, sanity.
Yeah, I had nothing I could do.
I thought you meant like you had died. I'm like, what the hell?
No. I was just... Well, I
didn't
got...
get your
Alright,
flashlight,
cool.
but I got your thermometer.
I'd need the flashlight, though. That's the part that I needed.
Sorry. I crabbed it, I thought.
A perfect 72 degrees.
What are you supposed to detect with this?
The temperature, duh.
Of what?
Oh.
I mean, I guess I'm sure I'm gonna find out.
You're right behind me.
No. Yes.
Alright, I don't know where I'm... Oh, it's 700 degrees in here.
No, it's not. It's 72.
788 degrees Fahrenheit?
It's making my screen wobble, but it's not. Oh, wait.
Oh, nice. Oh, yeah, this is good. Don't touch that, apparently.
I can't detect the heat.
Don't open that door, and definitely don't touch what's on the other side.
Why isn't it telling me the temperature?
You should walk in there, it'll be funny.
How do I use it? Do I hold F? Do I tap F?
Are you holding it in your hand and not the flashlight?
Yes.
You're holding a flashlight on my screen.
On my screen, I'm holding the thermometer. You know, fuck
Walk
it.
it. You just got cut to ribbons instantly. Ooh. What happens if I turn
Oh,
the
this
red
room's
valve?
120. It's a little hotter, but that's not. Oh, no, those bugs chase you. No, they just take you.
I got yoinked.
Yeah, me too.
Did
They
you
just
also
take.
get yoinked? That's really
Yeah,
bright. Thanks,
yeah.
HDR monitor.
They just take you, huh?
I
Okay,
was took.
so just always have it
Grabbed.
out. Always have it out.
Yeah, always have it out. Is this the bugs retaliating for all of the like murders that we've
The
committed
bug sins we've committed.
against bug kind?
We
Why
just
is it
need
so
a
dark in here?
we just
Oh,
need a
because this
big
is the way
ass
we
life
came.
water, I think.
Raid. A comfortable 72, 788. A This is an instant transition between 700 freaking degrees Fahrenheit, the surface
Another.
of the sun, and then just 72.
The surface of the sun is like 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit.
Kiss.
Hey, I'm behind you.
Oh,
A comfortable 72 degrees.
why is this difficult, and why am I confused?
What do you think the thermometer is for?
I don't know. Okay, actually, I think I do. The higher the temperature, I think bugs, they like it in the warm spots, and because if it like detects a warm spot, then that means you might be in bug territory, and that's
Yeah, but like, why is that so special? You
the
can see it
extent of
too.
my knowledge. Hang on, one quick Google search.
But I don't want to
How
Google it. I
to
want to find out on our
do
own.
the fine, you hooligan.
I feel like it'd be better for your YouTube.
I mean, I guess. Do the left, like, do the hand method.
It's the hand method.
Put a hand on a wall, like metaphorically, and then just
Yeah.
follow it until you find an exit, because eventually it'll have to loop all the way
Where are
around.
you?
Please do not judge my next move. I have like several hours of footage that just has to be cut out because it's me and Caleb wandering around through this boiler with nothing that I can salvage because it's just us dying, boiling to death, and getting eaten by bugs over and over again. So I think that my next move here is entirely justified, and I don't feel bad. I just found a map
Where?
on Reddit.
No, don't go through that. I'll be right back.
We're following the Reddit map. Look at this, net neat. Oh, I can't show that. Look at this, net neat, net neat. That's so cool. I'm gonna cheat. I don't care. Cheating is cool. Bug room, bug door, valve, bug, obstacle. Thank you, random Redditor. I love you.
Please don't use that map.
I'm gonna use this map.
Fine, go.
This is a shitty map.
I'm going through the door
Oh,
behind
there we
me.
go.
Where are
Okay.
you? I see.
Catwalks. Oh, yeah. This is where you were supposed to. You were on the right track.
Yeah.
Hang on, I just gotta.
Where are we on
I'm
the
not
map?
cheating. You're cheating. Shut up.
That's the bugs. We ran through 1, 2, so we're there. So yeah, straight ahead.
Okay. I don't like. Me feel bad. Me icky. Me feel dead inside. Oh, this is the part where I. Yeah.
Wait up.
I glitched a bug to where it couldn't kill me.
I see.
I am so thankful.
Okay, so what are we supposed to do?
Okay, there's a door somewhere.
Is it on the
Shit.
left of this door? Because I see it.
Yeah, this is it.
Do you want me to distract him and you can go?
Is there a bug here? There is.
I see no bug on the left.
There's a bug on the right. Hang on. You killed me, Caleb.
Sorry!
You brought him right to me.
Can you help me, then? I'll just...
Okay, I can. Okay, wait. Okay, the behind you, see that pipe door light pipe door, yeah? Look
I
behind
mean,
you.
light
See that?
that's, like, right there?
See the light? No, okay, stand up and look 90 degrees to your left. Okay, well, shit. Run.
Fight! I was inside of him.
My pants are pissed.
I feel defiled.
Okay, hang on. Wait, you're close. Go back. Stop. You were going the right direction. Go the right way.
This way?
Yeah, that way. Go right. Okay, take that door.
This
Okay.
one?
Look, see that opening?
I'm gonna go get killed.
No, please.
I'm kidding.
My pants are full of piss. Alright, I'm gonna end that here, and we will do that later. Sweet Jesus, that boiler room is unpleasant. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end if you did. Your poor soul, body, and mind. Alright, catch you later. Toodaloo. Boom.